Okay, so today I'm gonna pull my lawnmower. Okay, so this is a ratchet strap. So this, see this metal part? You have to put this through that, pull out through the other side. Keep doing it until your finger's fine. Ratchet a little bit. Okay, to my dad's lawnmower. Put this right here. Okay, I'm gonna go get my 4-wheeler. Okay, now when it gets tight, I'm just gonna keep ratcheting up. When it gets tight, I'm gonna stop. There. And then I have to push this out. All set. Wasn't that amazing, kids? I'm gonna show you how to take this off. I got this off. Now, do this, that, then got pull. Okay. Now, how you use a ratchet strap to unstuck a tractor. See ya, kids.